Okay, good morning traders and welcome to another trade breakdown video. It's Marvin from Trailblazers Trading View. So in this video I'll be explaining the trade that I took on Tuesday, yes, 29th of March during New York session. That ran for a 1 to 15 RR after taking a loss previously just before. I'll be explaining both the loss and the win in this video. So let's get straight into it. Okay, let me turn on my session indicator. So coming into the market on Tuesday, I was like, okay, what really makes sense to do now? Because obviously current market structure is bullish, should I say, on the 15-minute time frame. We have this kind of bullish market structure, right? So I was looking for a counter trend trade to then I went to my 1 hour time frame to actually view the market very well. So I saw this. I saw that okay, there was this there is this zone here. There is this zone here that led to this break of structure from here. Then there is this one just sitting right above it. Then coming to understand what was really happening, I saw that okay, there's this liquidity pool, this trend liquidity pool that will be taken out in the future. But you can't actually predict if price will take out the trend liquidity right now, or price will have to react, make some kind of reactions before taking it out. So my thought process was to actually get a sell trade from here. This was my thought process, but obviously I would have followed what the market was giving me and not what I was thinking. I was thinking to get a sell trade from here, then maybe exit here, then the buy will take out this liquidity from here, then react to this zone here. So that was my thought process for New York session yesterday, but that was not what happened actually. Let me go straight to my 1 minute time frame, which is obviously my entry time frame. I trade the first 2 hours of New York session and the first 3 hours of London session, right? So I saw this on the 30 seconds. I saw my change of character from this area. So I was okay. This zone made sense to look for a sell trade from. I waited for my second confirmation when price tapped into the zone. I got it. Then I placed my limit just right here. I do add 0.5 pips to my stop loss, so it was 3.3. Let's just leave it at that because it was eventually a loss. So price tapped me in and took me out at loss. Phew, that was a crazy one because this was my second trade this week. I didn't have any trade in London, so I took a loss there. Then I was waiting for this zone, and when price tapped into the zone, I went to the 1 minute time frame again. Then I looked for my change of character, right? Then I was waiting for price reaction at this zone here. Then price invalidated that zone too. Now that okay, let me still watch what price wants to do, how price is aiming to develop, because this was obviously like just about let's say less than 30 minutes till my trading session ended, right? So I was still waiting to see what price wants to do. On the 30 seconds, I got my change of character again. Then I waited for my extra confirmations from the lower time frame, 15 and 5 seconds. Then I got that from here. Just place my limits and wants to see what price aims to do. So I do leave my I do add 0.5 pip to my stop loss, so it was a 2.5 pip, 2.5. Bro, why is this not like, yeah? So my target for this trade was, I was looking to see like it's a sensible target area that actually made sense. Then I saw this area here. I saw this area because this demand zone that broke this structural points on the 5 minute time frame. It won to 15 trade, and price just played out. Now this was like this played out like this triggered me 5 minutes before my trading session ended. If it hadn't triggered me and it just like exceeded my trading session, I would have deleted the order and just missed the trade in that sense. So price just did its thing. Obviously, when price ran for a 1 to 5 hour, I would have closed 20% of my position to cover up for the loss. So this was a risk-free trade, and that's when it got to a 1 to 5 hour. Then I just let it TP. So that was it. In about in about 56, let's say in about 15 minutes, 1 to 15 hour trade. A solid one though, a solid one. So yeah, that was the trade breakdown of this. Make your back testings, try to understand all that I explained here. If you're actually very smart, you understand that I've given you basically the way I trade here on YouTube. If you're very smart to understand that. So this sell zone, this zone is still a highly probable zone. But let's see whenever price wants to come into it. And price doesn't really need to now respect the zone, it can decide to invalidate it. But we don't try to predict, we react to what price is showing us. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, turn on your post notification, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for hot content. And as from Saturday, I'll be making weekly forecast in that sense for a new week. Saturday or Sunday, I'll be uploading videos weekly across pairs of you guys' choices. So ensure to stay in tune with us here. Take care and bye.